What's up? Danny Heisacker with Colonique, helping people do their business better. And so today we're going to have a discussion with Peter Gasparo. He's the Regional Sales Director over at Konftel, and we're going to talk about what schools are looking for video collaboration in their classrooms. So Peter, I have some questions here, and you can take it away. All right, so when it comes to video collaboration in the classroom, what are schools, or what's important for schools?
You know, the most important thing, Danny, that we've seen, and we've had a number of discussions with a number of different school districts across the U.S., audio is absolutely crucial. The teacher needs to be able to be heard, and also the kids at home, when they are in their home office or in their home bedroom, they need to be able to be heard properly, and they need to be able to hear the teacher, most importantly, so the teacher doesn't lose any functionality or downtime from having that discussion over and over and over again. They need to have that crystal clear HD audio. And then another important piece that we have seen is the video aspect. The kids at home need to be able to see what that teacher is doing in the classroom, whether it's a science class or an English class or a math class. They need to be able to see and act as if they're there at the location with the teacher.
All right. So when it comes to the platforms that are being used in school, what platforms are schools running?
Yeah, another good question. We've had a number of schools, again, we're having conversations on a daily basis. They're coming to us with Google Meet, Google Hangouts, Google Classroom, Zoom, Teams. We are 100% vendor agnostic. So we just want to provide the hardware, provide the high-end audio and video device in order to give the teacher the full functionality of the Google Meet or the Google Classroom or the Google Hangouts, Zoom, Teams, again, so on and so forth. We just want to provide you with the hardware to work with the software that you're using in the school system.
Nice. All right. So how are the classrooms being set up? Where are they putting this stuff?
You know, again, it's a no size fits all, as we like to say at Konftel. There's multiple different classrooms. There's English classrooms, there's science classrooms. There's a number of different classrooms that we have seen that utilize our devices, whether it's the Cam 20, which I'm currently using right now, to be able to set a number of presets on this device. So if I am the teacher, I have a nice overview shot, a nice wide angle lens of my shot of the entire classroom. But if I want to show something on my whiteboard over here, I use the remote control provided with the SKUs that we sell and immediately jump to that whiteboard. So now the kids at home can take better notes. They can pay more attention, see what's going on. The teacher can easily zoom into that location and be able to see that. Now, on the side note, we're working with a number of schools in the South that have the Cam 50, which I'm going to switch over to now, Danny, to give you an idea of the Cam 50. This is our full pan-tilt zoom camera. This gives you a lot more flexibility around the classroom. Again, most importantly, teachers need to be able to not have to play around with a camera. They don't want to play around with a tripod. They want to be able to use a remote control and easily go to different points in the classroom. So what we're seeing is a number of presets being set on the camera to be able to zoom around to different locations in that classroom without the teacher having to go pick up the tripod and move this around. These cameras, the Cam 20, the Cam 50, can easily be mounted in the ceiling on a tripod near the front of the classroom. It can grip to the top of the laptop on the teacher's desk and give them that full functionality to be able to zoom around the classroom very easily, very user-friendly with the remote control provided.
Nice. Wanted to talk a little bit about the OCC Hub. I have one here. You know, We've done a video. We'll put links to this in the description box below, but let's talk about it. What is it?
Absolutely. Absolutely. So we've put a number of kits together that are available that provide you with an audio device, a camera, and also the OCC Hub, as Danny just mentioned. And what the OCC Hub does is a one cable connection. So the teacher doesn't have to mess around with tech support. They bring in their laptop. They have a desktop in that classroom already. What they do is they find the orange cable. They plug in the orange cable to the laptop right before class starts. That's going to pair their audio device. It's going to pair their camera. And if they have a screen in there, it's going to connect to their screen for screen sharing purposes, or so the kids in the school can see the kids at home and remind them that this is a school-based education type product. So we are seeing a number of customers, a number of classrooms utilize the OCC Hub because it's easy for the customer It's easier for the teacher just to plug in that one cable and not have to worry about a Bluetooth connection or trying to figure out, how do I connect the audio device? How do I connect the camera? One cable OCC Hub goes into the laptop and everything's ready to go. When you drive your Google Meet, your Zoom, your Teams platform, everything's going to work from that scenario.
Awesome. Well, Peter, thank you so much. Again, we're going to put links to all this stuff in the description box below. Konftel has set up a really nice sort of distance learning page to showcase the various solutions that they have, from the desktop to multiple size classrooms. And we'll put that again in the description box below. Again, thank you so much. Folks, if you like this type of video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below. Let us know what you'd like to see or what you'd like to learn more about, and we'll do our best to make it. Thank you so much.